Situations. Emergency accident lock automatically captures unexpected driving incidents and save the video during collision. Continuous recording overwrites the oldest footage to prevent the recording from stopping when the memory card is full. 24 hours parking monitoring. Parking mode monitors your car's surroundings while your car is parked and the engine is not running. Easy to set up. Simple installation and operation will immediately make this dash cam becomes your loyal driving protector. Package contents: APEMAN C450 dash cam car charger, 3M adhesive mount, user manual, warm tips. APEMAN C450 supports a class 10 micro SD card, not included, maximum 32 GB. Please format it on the camera before use. If you have any questions or needs, please do not hesitate to contact us. APEMAN official email, support@apemans.com. Features: 1080p Full HD dash cam, simultaneous recording with super high resolution 1080p FHD lens, and 3 inches large LCD screen deliver clearer videos and images and replay the key moment even when high-speed driving. 170 degrees super wide angle. This car driving recorder employs 170 degrees super wide angle lens. Ultra-wide field of view reduces the blind spots and captures more details, to reserve the real scene. Built-in G-sensor. With built-in G-sensor, APEMAN dashboard camera can automatically detect a sudden shake, collision and lock the footage to prevent the video from being overwritten even in loop recording. Accident scene can be truly restored. Super night vision. The combination of f1.8 large aperture, WDR, HDR ensures the clarity of images at night. Eliminates the need for an auxiliary light source even in low-light environments, making it easy to obtain sharp, color-accurate images. Easy to set up and use. Motion detection, seamless loop recording, parking monitor satisfy your need for daily driving. Simple installation and operation, no need to worry even for a first-time user.